Good morning. Today, I want to show you how to use a complex comparison with a certain case impression. In the Proc Sql, we can use a function like a case1 for logic or conditional search up. In a data step, we can use if-then. That's very common for the data procedures. Here, I use two data sets for examples. One data set is called manufacturer. In Proc Sql, we call it tables. It has 4 columns or 4 variables: manufacturer number, manufacturer name, manufacturer city, and manufacturer state. We have 3 states: Texas, California, Florida. We have another table called products. We have product number, product name, manufacturer name, product type, and a product cost. Here we can see there's one common variable, manufacturer name. They are both existing in the two data sets. You see manufacturer name. They have like 111, like a 500, 111, 500. They have common manufacturer names. We want to find the manufacturer. They have same manufacturer name, and we want the state in these 3 states. We also want the manufacturer's variable in the product type. We use to group them into a different category. For example, laptop and the workstation. We categorize them as computer hardware, and the others is non-computer hardware. If we use a simple Proc Sql, we can do it by 2 steps. For example, first step, we use Proc Sql create table, or the data set we named it data1. We select these 4 columns from the manufacturer. We select manufacturer name, product type, product name, product cost. We can see these 4 variables are in the products data set. We use the alias. For example, from the SQL dataset manufacturer as M and the SQL dataset product as P. The condition is where the manufacturer number are the same, and where the state for the manufacturer are in these 3 states, Florida, like East, Texas, and California. Let's run this procedure. We can see for dataset 1, we have these 4 columns: manufacturer name, product type, product number, and the cost. If we want to see the product name, because manufacturer name, manufacturer number is in these both data sets, we need to select which one we want to use. For example, we want from the manufacturer, so we use M menu number to see what happens. F3. So we can see right now it has a manufacturer name. These are the manufacturer number from 2 datasets. And we have log, they are clear. Then we use a simple case when statement. We select the data from data 1. We create the dataset table data 2. Here we select asterisk means everything from the dataset. Case when product type, when laptop, we then computer hardware manufacturer. When workstation, then computer hardware manufacturer, else not a computer manufacturer. And we give it a name as manufacturer type. So when we run this, you can see dataset. The product type, you see product type workstation, the computer hardware, phone software, not computer manufacturer. For dataset 1, we can see here there's no laptop. So if it has laptop type, it will be categorized as computer hardware manufacturer. Here, if we don't use and as, so let us see what will happen. Open dataset 2. We can see this column or variable has no name. It's some name like underscore team 8001. The second method, we use a complex comparison with certain case impressions plus the comparison operator. Here we create a dataset called dataset 3. We select manufacturer name, manufacturer number, because this dataset, 2 datasets, product and manufacturer both have the variable called manufacturer number. So we should tell the source which dataset we want this variable come from. So we use it come from the manufacturer dataset for this variable. We select manufacturer name, manufacturer number, keys just when this manufacturer state in Florida, Texas, and California. Then case here we use a in operator when product type in laptop workstation, then computer hardware manufacturer, else not a computer factor. And so this is a nested. Then we, if the keys for this new name, new search, we end as a manufacturer type. Otherwise, it will be assigned another name. We also select a variable product name and the product cost. So we don't assign alias for this variable come from, because it only can come from product. Because this for these 2 data sets, only one variable is common, is manufacturer name. We give them alias for want to type in all the name like a manufacturer, we use code M and the product code P. Here we also plus condition. The manufacturer name are the both existing in the 2 data set. So when we enter, we can see data set 3. So we can see we got similar results. From data set 2, we both have 8 observations or rules. And the manufacturer type are divided in 2 categories: hardware related or not computer manufacturer. Here I want to see sometimes if the case when condition is too complicated, we'd better use a simple one, divided into 2 steps. You will not likely to make mistakes. If you want more information or knowledge about case one or more complicated, leave your comment there. Thank you for attention. Have a nice day.